Thanks for joining me today, folks. It's Dom with My Three Fords, and today we're going to be talking about the 2021 to 24 Ford Bronco transfer case fluid change. All right, folks, this is the advanced track, or whatever they call it, AdvanTEX transfer case. So it's the more advanced one, I guess, or certainly the one that is slightly lower range than the original one. So this one comes in the Sasquatch Badlands Wild Track and above, I believe. And I think it has a 3.06 to 1 ratio, where the other one is like 2.72 to 1 ratio, something like that. So obviously here we have the fill plug and we have the drain plug, pretty easy. And we will also get that sucker. So I always take out the fill plug first, just to make sure that I can get the fill plug out, and then I don't, drain it and then realize I can't fill it back up. So that's just kind of one of the procedures I have. Okay, so we want to make sure that the drain plug is tight. I didn't kill it, but it's pretty snug. As I continue the work here, I figured I'd flash this up on the screen. You can see the capacities for both of the transfer cases available in the Ford Bronco. The one we're doing is the 1.6 quarts. Seems like we're there. Yeah, okay. Yep, so we'll just let that drain out, and then we'll put the plug on. Okay, it's finally down to a very slow drip. So what we'll do is we'll wipe it off. It's still coming out a little bit, but that's okay. I'm not going to sweat it. You don't want to cross thread your fill plug. I guess that might be better than cross threading your drain plug, but either way it's not good. That's pretty tight. Now we get to put the pan back on. Or the skid plate, I should say. Not the pan. The skid plate had a lot of sand in it. Alright folks, that's it for that video. It was pretty simple. It was about as straightforward as it can be. If you liked this video and found it helpful, hit the like button. I'd appreciate that. And if you want to see more videos on my Bronco or the Ford Flex or my F-150, you can hit the subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.